The freelance industry is booming around the world, particularly here in the Philippines and in the field of Amazon. If you have been meaning to transition from full-time job to being an Amazon VA, then this video is for you! Hello, I'm Lisha Kino and I'm the founder of Amazon Nation PA. So, before anything else, before I give you super interesting facts about online freelancing, let me tell you that according to Pioneer Philippines, Philippines is ranked 6th growing freelancing marketplaces globally. Imagine that! People are realizing that freelancing is a better choice because of the time and financial freedom it brings. Hindi lang ang boss ang nagde-decide. Ikaw din, you can call the shots. Ganun siya kagrabe. So, amidst this pandemic and global crisis, e-commerce specifically has grown into 2 million sellers around the world, which means more demand for Amazon VAs. Guys, I can tell you how vastly Amazon is growing, especially demand for Amazon VAs. And you know what? Freelancing has become hotter and tempting more than ever. In fact, madami na talagang Pinoy ang gusto mag-transition at gusto mag-transition from being a full-time employee to a VA. So, let me tell you though, that changing from a regular corporate job into a freelancing is not easy, and it's definitely not for everyone. It needs a lot of adjustment, time, effort. With that, I will give you 4 common mistakes that most people make when transitioning to being an Amazon. So, huwag natin patagalin. Common mistake number 1, resigning abruptly. So just because naka-decide ka na gusto mo na talagang maging VA, it doesn't mean na kailangan mo nang mag-resign agad-agad. That's a big no, of course. Siyempre, you need to test the water first. Hindi mo pa alam kung ano yung sa field, ano yung kalakaran. Hindi fit ba yun sa lifestyle mo, di ba? You don't know where you can get a steady support of income while exploring this new journey. So, masasuggest ko sa inyo is before you transition being a full-time, why not part-time muna? Part-time muna and eventually transition to doing it full-time. Right? So, mistake number 2, not learning the skills first. Imagine the field of Amazon VA. It's a vast ocean, There's so much to learn, so much to explore. So if you're just gonna, dive in without any equipment like oxygen or floating, malulunod ka, right? So before you jump in, research for the skills that your clients are looking for. Learn about all of them. Hone them. Practice. So perhaps you can start by researching for the basic skills that the Amazon sellers are looking for. Example ng mga skills na hinahanap ng isang Amazon seller. Product research, product listing, PPCs, customer service, product inventory management, and so much more. I cannot tell you exactly what are those, but I have videos also to discuss kung ano yung mga skills na. But for this video, I want you to know na ganun kadami yung skills na kailangan mo tutunan. You can go for DIY researching, or if you have enough funds, you can go get a mentor to show you. That is actually more efficient and faster way to learn. So another tip is you can get more attractive to your clients when they know you invested in your learning. Why? Bakit baka mo? No? Because they know that you are serious and committed and you feel that you have chosen. Alam nilang seryoso ka and that's a plus point. Right? So, mistake number 3, learn the skills but not taking action. Ay! Alam niyo ba, may mga taong aral ng aral, research na research, or nood lang ng nood ng video, pero hindi sila nag-a-apply. May makilala ba kayong gano'n? So, yung iba, ang dami pang ang mamahal ng binayad sa course, pero hindi naman talaga nila piniput into action. Right? So, they keep thinking that I need experience, I need learning, I'm not yet confident, and the only way to start applying, kahit na wala kang experience, is actually take action. You will be surprised that clients will still be willing to hire you kahit super newbie ka. Hindi ka convinced? Nako, you should watch some of our success stories where an undergrad student, a full-time mom, or even yung iba pang mga possible students, hindi mo alam magkaka-client. The newbies, no? Yung mga totally beginner. They were able to get a premium client despite being a beginner. And special playlist kaming ginawa to inspire you. But let me manage your expectations first, okay? Taking action means you need to be really ready, no? To make or to face rejections. Remember, it is part of the journey, no? Hindi madali, but, well, it's worth it. And kung kinaya ibang newbies, kakayanan mo. Okay, mistake number 4. Applying to all job posts aimlessly or not niching down. Submitting 5-10 applications a day is good, but sending them aimlessly is not good. What do I mean when I say aimlessly? So let's say that you have skill, you know, you learn Amazon VA or other freelancing skills. And yes, you got that confidence. But this doesn't mean that you need to click and apply for all job posts available or join all Facebook groups. Ma-overwhelm ka sa dami ng groups and minsan hindi mo na alam ano ba talaga ina-applyan mo, di ba? So, clients are looking for a specific set of skills. And some are looking for research specialists, some for PPC strategies, some for copywriting lang, gano'n. There's so many specialized skills that clients will need. So read the job description carefully. If you know that you're okay and ready, then you can already start applying. So, spare yourself from another heartbreak or rejection. Save your time and effort and client's time. Applying for Amazon VA job is also your practicing work. So when they ask you for a sample work, make sure to give it your best. Hope you've learned a lot. If you're interested to learn more about how to become an Amazon VA and meet like-minded people like you inside our community, you can enroll on our Amazon VA Masterclass here. I'll post the link below as well. So, here's to wishing you a successful transitioning journey to being an Amazon VA. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. My name is Leshokino. Make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified whenever we release new YouTube videos. We are also on Facebook, so make sure that you hit like and see first and follow us on Instagram at Amazon. We don't just build brands, we change lives.